Hello friends, hope you are all doing good. I am going to share few things of my Goa trip 2021. So I took Go Air flight tickets. In the last minute, they have changed my flight schedule to a connecting flight where one day got wasted in traveling. So avoid Go Air. There was no other option. I had to go on the same day in the same airlines. So in Goa, I have taken a car for self-drive, which is Hyundai i10. They have charged me approximately 800 to 900 per day. So my stay was a long stay. I got in a good deal. We have to fill the fuel. They won't give us the fuel. So it's better take a complete check. So this was day one in South Goa. So most people are confusing from South Goa to Middle Goa. There is also a thing called Middle Goa, which is actually Betal Batim. They are all actually not exactly South Goa. They are Middle Goa, Mid Goa, you can say. The difference between South Goa and Mid Goa is in Mid Goa it is very isolated and we don't see any shacks or most of the restaurants. We can't find it very active. In South Goa there are actually few active spots like most happening places. But for sightseeing, if it is only for sightseeing, the Mid Goa is a nice place we can say. But at nights you can't expect anything to happen in this Mid Goa. So there was a misleading of YouTube some video that Betal Batin has glowing beaches. I didn't find anything. There was not even street lights in the Betal Batin. So these are few of glimpses. Day one in near Betal Batin beach. So there are three beaches attached: Betal Batin, Kolwa, and some other beach. Yeah, they are just side by side. I went in the month of August ending, so it was cloudy. Sometimes it's raining. Even the flight was facing a lot of turbulence. So yeah, this is how the view will be on a rainy day, we can say. North Goa is actually a most happening place. South Goa is a little low. We can say whoever like pleasant stay, they can come to South Goa. But unfortunately, I came to Mid Goa. I'll share you a clip of North Goa. This is Kalangut Beach, North Goa. This clip is from my previous trip in the same year, I think, previous year. Yeah, this is how the beach is with all shacks. But the Mid Goa is like this. So I want to give you a tip, guys. This is North Goa, and then people who want to visit South Goa, that is fine, but don't get stuck in the Mid Goa. At nights it is like a horror movie. Until unless you want to experience a horror movie, go to Mid Goa. That is my personal advice. It's up to you to visit any part of Goa. So this is what we call Mid Goa. So here you can see all the names of beaches in Goa. So this is Mid Goa. Yeah, there are pretty much nothing except beaches and the sand. Even you can't find a fine and restaurant or nice hotel stays there. Yeah, they are average hotels over there. You can try if you want. On day two, I have decided to go and visit Anjuana beach, which is far away from my stay. So this is vegator to Anjuana beach road. It was a rainy day. I was lucky. I have taken a car. Yeah, the weather was very nice and the drive was so soothing. I really enjoyed. And there is the new Thar you can see. Yeah. There is a lot of greenery in Goa, especially when you are traveling from Vegator to Anjuana beach. So guys, if you're worried about the mileage of car, I-10 sucks. I can say it hardly gave me 10 kilometers per liter. So there are a lot of wagoners in Goa. You can try to opt for a self-drive wagoner if you are 2 or 3 people. Yeah, it is really good to opt a car rather than a bike if you want to drive in this condition of weather. Corona beer. Yeah, there is a beer called Corona beer. I don't think it's operational. Blue window. Blue is the color of all that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are too. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my girlfriend, it's in and outside. Blue are the words I say and what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me. I'm blue. So on the way I have seen few churches. They are very old, I think. They may be abandoned, I'm not sure. So here is one church. You can pause and check the church name if I'm not wrong. Yeah, these are all old buildings, and there is one another abandoned church. Yeah, and the flora and fauna is awesome in this weather. Yeah, there are a lot of churches. One more church here. Anjuana. It is on the way to Anjuana beach. So friends, hope you are enjoying this video. There is a lot more to come. Please subscribe, like and share. There will be one more video on Goa. things that I didn't like about Goa. Please try to watch and share your opinion about that video also. Thanks in advance, guys.
Turn right.
I want to share you a really interesting things about Anjuana cops. They actually fined me for not wearing a mask where I am driving in my car without a mask, but I was wearing the seatbelt. I'm having all the documents required. I don't know why they have challened me or fined me for not wearing a mask. Yeah, it is not a must to wear a mask, I think. On the way to Anjuana from Vegator, we have seen a lot of peacocks at once. They are dancing for this rain. In fact, this is the first time I'm seeing peacocks dancing like this in the rain. This is Vegator beach, very rocky beach. This is the path we came from. So yeah, here we are in Anjuana Beach. So yeah, weather is very nice. There are only few shacks here, not much. Maybe this is the not the season. People say from December to February is the actual tourist season, and I'm returning from Anjuana to This is last day of my stay. I was hanging out at Kalangut beach. I found few shacks here. Yeah, actually I have shifted my hotel from mid Goa to Kalangut the next day itself. I stayed in This is shellfish, mackerel, silverfish gravy. Actually, it should be silverfish, but I got prawns in it. This is butter rice, not plain rice. And this is dried prawns. And here we got coconut. This is an authentic food with achar and papad. Simple yet delicious. Bone delicacy. So friends, hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, like and share for more videos like this. Thank you.